Move-in ready home na wala ka nang ipapagawa at lilipatan na lang, yan din ba ang hanap mo? Then may good offer ako para sa iyo at sa pamilya mo na surely magugustuhan mo. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido for another premium home tour. At kung gusto mo nga yung lilipatan mo na lang yung unit at wala ka nang iisipin na ipapagawa, try to consider this unit. Malapit lang sa main entrance, complete finish turnover na, naka-interior na din, at literal na gamit mo na nga lang ang kulang, pwede mo na tong tirahan. This is a Briana unit na may lot area ka na 100 square meters and floor area of estimated 120 square meters kasi na-expand na natin yung kitchen area. May kwarto na rin to sa ground floor, perfect yan pag may elderly kayo na family, may toilet and bath for common use or guest use. And this gonna be your space for living, dining, and of course your kitchen area. Kitchen natin fully renovated na rin yan and expanded na rin yan kaya wala ka na talagang iisipin. And of course, meron ka ring service area for your laundry or outdoor cooking. Siyempre, fully tiled na rin para wala ka na talagang ipapagawa upon turnover sa'yo ng unit. By the way, this unit is on as is where is basis. So, kung anong nakikita mo sa house tour video na to, ito na rin yung actual turnover sa'yo. This space, it can be your lanay or it can be an access of course sa parking area natin na may provision for 1 to 2 carport. Ito yung sliding door natin that will lead you to your dining space na napakaluwag, kaya yan 6 to 8 seaters, and of course your living area kanina na pinakita ko rin. O diba, ang ganda ng unit. So ngayon, punta naman tayo sa second floor kung saan meron pa tayong 3 other rooms, kasama na dyan yung master's bedroom na may own toilet and bath, and of course 1 toilet and bath for common use ng the rest of the room. Ang kagandahan nga sa unit na to, meron kang family area or space where you can have your second living area. Here's sa master's bedroom. Ito na yung actual turnover natin. You already have there your closet, and ito naman yung actual turnover natin for the toilet and bath. So wala ka na talagang poproblemahin, i-clean up mo na lang tong area, and kung sakali naman mag-a-add ka ng interior, it's really up to you. And among the rooms, ito nga yung pinaka nagustuhan ko kasi may floor-to-ceiling height siya na window where natural light can easily pass through. And here's our family area, and it's really up to you kung paano mo siya gagamitin. Of course, you also have this huge balcony. Perfect din kung gusto nyo ng bonding time outside the unit. O, diba ang ganda? So, paano ito na ba ang unit na para sa'yo? Tara, tripping na tayo. Link in bio or caller message us in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number. See you soon!